Welcome. My name is Lauren Gates, and we have Dr. Ben Moralia here, and we are both super excited and want to invite you to attend our Clear Aligner University at the Dental Festival. Well, who should attend? Basically, that's easy because every dental professional would benefit from attending our course. Well, why? Because believe it or not, every patient is a potential clear aligner patient. Wouldn't you agree, Dr. Moralia?
Yes, absolutely. Way back when I used to joke, if you've got teeth and a pulse, you could be.
Okay, so
Yeah.
that's a broad range. So we show you how clear aligner therapy benefits more than just a pretty smile. It is actually the solution to many common dental problems. So we're really excited to share with you firsthand how you can also help the health of your patient as well as your practice health. So the second reason is we help your patients get to the point of saying yes to clear aligner therapy. So Dr. Moralia, you're so good at this. How long have you been doing this now?
Well, I've been working with clear aligners now for about 17, maybe 18 years. And so it's been part of our practice that long. It's become a staple in the practice. It's a foundational treatment.
And in the beginning, I know it's not easy. You know, I've worked as a sales rep for a aligner company, and more importantly, a hygienist firsthand, 30 years, having hundreds of conversations. And we know that it's not easy to convince someone to do something they don't want to do. Well, what we teach is that we don't have to convince them. They actually ask us when can they get started? So we methodically and by example demonstrate effective value-based conversations that actually drive patients to say yes. It's actually pretty easy once they have the value. So that's what we create, the value-based conversations, and we show you firsthand how to do that. When you work with your patients, Dr. Moralia, how many, I guess, what is your close rate offhand, if you just had to estimate?
Yeah, if I had to estimate, it's in the 90%, mark. And most of that education comes through the hygiene chair. And so by the time I get that nice handoff and kind of complete a conversation, the patient usually, like you mentioned, ends up at, well, how soon can I start? Right. And so we have a really high close rate as part of comprehensive care dentistry.
And so many doctors, when I was in sales, they would ask me, Lauren, what is the secret sauce? How do I get patients to say yes? And that's what we're going to teach you, that there actually is a secret sauce. So we were going to share that with our tips and tricks from, I hate to say this, Ben, but we have a combined 40 years of experience in the aligner, business, right? So
yeah, it's good and it's bad. That number's good and bad.
We have so many pearls for increased profitability and improved patient care. So we call that a win-win. And that's why we're super excited for our Clear Aligner University at the Dental Festival in Hollywood, Florida. We hope you can join us. And Ben, why don't you give us like one pearl that you can come up with off the top of your head of why they should attend our course?
Yeah, probably one of the most eye-opening things is just seeing some of the oral symptoms that exist and then lead us towards the clear aligner conversation. So there are several things going on in the mouth that are symptoms and are in the category that we would call deterioration. And meanwhile, if we learned, well, where does a clear aligner fit into correcting that? You're actually in the treat the cause category. So we get to treat the cause, we get to see symptoms reduce. That's probably one of the most powerful things about that course.
Absolutely. We can't wait to share all of our tips and tricks with you. Join us at Clear Aligner University at the Dental Festival. We'll be there, and it's a wonderful way to learn and actually have team integration and camaraderie. So see you in Hollywood.
See you there.